Landscape library. So this is a strong rake head, and they put really cheap handles on. I don't know why. It's not very smart. I guess because they want to sell it in marketplace value. But I've taken 2 vice grips, and you'll see how not fun this is sometimes. Listen, you'll hear it cracking. That's how cheap this wood is. Just cracks. See that? It's not an easy way to get this out, so I don't really want to break the weld. So I'm just going to gently keep doing this. Try to get some. And I'm pulling apart this way and this way as I'm doing it. So just gently, 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 gently. There we go. So if you look at this wood, I'll take this. See how it's all splitting and cracked? It's very cheap wood. See, look, it just spins. See how cheap it is? So, this is a shout out to Garant. This is the only one I was able to find. If someone was smart, they'd be able to find these rake heads. You can buy these at Home Depot. I was trying to look for a place online, but nobody sells them. So here we are connecting the new one. I'm gonna spin it. It's best to spin it on and then hold it from here and just hit it on the ground a few times. And I'll show you another cool trick. Here's a shout out to PL Premium. So what we do, take the caulking gun, I'm gonna cut it with an X-Acto knife. There we go. So I cut it on an angle, as you can see, so it'll go into the small space. And I'm just going to, I guess I gotta poke the hole first. It's up, sure. It's another thing. This is I guess a spike, 12-inch spike. Just poke the hole so the glue will come out. I like to do this with the rakes because they tend to come apart. So I'm just going to fill that little gap here with glue. There we go. And it doesn't have to look pretty. Just as long as it holds the rake together, because it's going to get dirty. It's going in the dirt. There we go. So just glue around the outside here. One very important thing that you do not want to do is glue this section here. You do not want to glue where the screw hole goes in, because if you glue that on, you will never be able to get it off. And these handles break all the time. I don't know for sure, I think this Garant handle will last well. It's about $13 or $14 Canadian. In the US, I'm sure it's in US dollars a little bit cheaper. But put a screw in here and you can take it out and reuse the rake. And there you go, a rake replacement.
Landscape Flatberry.